Hey guys, this is FOMO No Mo on Telegram, also at the Happy Profits, where you find the right place to find and learn how to place the right trade. So we're going to go over some trades today, right here. Let me see if I can blow up my face here a little bit. We'll put it over here, and then we're going to look at a couple pre-market runners. LGVN still kind of cranking away. These were the early moves earlier today. Right here at the open, it really failed really quick. I took a couple bounces right here on this and also caught the runner from this little section here. Didn't take it all, never will take it all. They had some nice bounces here over support. This was at around 440 area. I had another trade right here run up, and then this one right here over that 459 that started the 434 area. So good easy trades, kind of been bumping that all day, really hasn't broken out of that. That's why you see my alert there at 484. VPRX was a baller at the morning. Basically it was making a ascending wedge on this and broke before pre, and then these two highs that have failed, it did finally break it real quick. Came up here, I did miss this move even though I called it out, and I would just waited for this to be rebroken. Now you're probably going, why am I not getting in this? I'm just waiting for a bigger pullback, basically people taking profits when it's a little slower, and then a re-break. And we definitely got that re-break. Also got this trade right here off the same exact support area. Once it started breaking down, I did take this scalp right here. I know this scalp pretty well, I take it all the time. And then basically right here, it hit target one twice and a little bit more of a target two, then just showing you a triple top and then a breakdown, and it did not recover. So if you are shorting, you're probably making a lot more profits. You probably just have to deal with a little headache at first. But once it's over with and can't keep making the three, I mean, you got $1.20 a share, and I probably got somewhere in $1.20 per share on the way up. So either way, just keep looking at it, because I did really good. I just stopped trading at this time. I had a friend that even called me to get in it. I just said, well, it has to break this level, and it broke it and it maintained that level. So if you would have just taken the breakout of the pre-market right here, it held it before it really broke out to $1.08. I think you got a lot of this move. This was an easy move to see as well, and it did do a late after hours pop. I just took this trade right here, so just let you know that. And then we had NAAS. This was a good one at the open, slightly after it, just stepping up into the open. And then it went up to VWAP. This is called a VWAP kiss trade. We take a trade to VWAP because we know if it's shorting, it should touch it one more time. So we take it. And then later on, it did build up and go crazy. I got this trade right here all the way up, because to me this is a very simple one. This is called an ascending wedge real quick. It's going down and up, also called a shallow W. Let's call it whatever it is. But it did take enough big pullback and re-sprung up. Got a good move there. Also got this move right here, and then I think I got, right here, the after hours at the 454 alert right here. Basically a big inverted head and shoulders. There's shoulder, here's head, shoulder, and a breakout right there. So all good moves. Let me do one day and call it a day. We do have alerts. Not going to do it very often. We're going to give you I think a week trial, and I will tell you these alerts right here would have got you in every trade today. Every trade today. You're not going to say that anywhere else, but these definitely got you in any trade you could have gotten today. Only 17 people asked. Kind of crazy out of 250 people, but look, every trade, we look at everything, and instead of putting alerts on our own platforms, we put everything in one alert channel. So we're going to give that away for a week for free. Let me know. DM me again, FOMO No Mo on Telegram. We're going to go after hours. I had two runners, got MZ right here. I had a friend call me from Germany. He took this trade, and I took the exact same trade just right here. Basically, it started basing at the same area right here, and it based and ran, so pretty easy trades. BLCN is running right now. I don't think my eyes were on it, but yeah, it's a lot. Okay, now we're building up some shares, but yeah, all good. Hopefully you got some new news. If not, it has been slowly waiting for some shorts to break out of this one, and that's the level it's been breaking out of. So we will see. If you see it finally just stop going down, based here at the 350, stair-stepped again, and the 405 was a clean area to take that trade. So hope y'all got that, and if not, sometimes right here you just got to let it come back down. These are big moves. Here was an easy pullback and a re-break here, but now you're kind of at the top. When you're buying at the top and three things say you're at the top, you're at the top. So yeah, don't chase stuff. Just let it come back down. It could bounce right off of this level, and I would just put a line here, and I'd put alert here. I doubt I have any more alerts for this one. Yeah, it says you're out. So what I'm going to do is manually type some in at the 405 area and see if it asks me if it wants any more trades. If it was going to re-break, I would re-break at the top. It did just test this area right here, because if you'll see, this is a pullback. It went up, pulled back, and then re-broke. So that's what it's testing right now at this bottom. So if I were to take just a quick trade, I'd take a 430 to backwards pedal to a 435 right in front of you. But otherwise, it's already maxed out. So let it break down a little bit more, because it's telling you it's broken down. Basically, you had 6 to 8 candles of green going up. Here's that 430 bounce real quick. It's going to touch it one more time. It just did it over there, just touched it. Now it should go back up to right around here. We'll see if it breaks that line that I have on the screen real quick. We'll see if it bounces back up there in the meantime, but otherwise it's just breaking down. So it's the same pattern as it's going up. We're just going to see if it's going down. Now, if it does not come down to the 405, I would put one right around at the 444 area. Going to go ahead and create an alert real quick, just so I just constantly taking the alerts here for that 44, and then I'll have some alerts at the top and the bottom, and either one of them is going to have to be broken to take out. So you'll see right here, it did touch it, it went back all the way up, and then it broke down in this candle, goes back up. If anything, since this was a test area, like I said, it should at least touch that. I think it did touch in that candle. If I'm wrong, I apologize. Just did it right in front of you. So if you're looking for a bounce, you always look for a bounce of a previous level. So this was the bounce area on a downtrend, and half the candle is where I'd be looking of the bigger candle move. So that big one right around here, you'll get the bounce right here at a previous level, and then it bounced right up and probably going to try to touch the highs, and it could continue right now because it is a very low float. So just let you know what happened right there so you see it. Hey, y'all have a great day. Again, if you want any alerts, it's still breaking. Just broke that 450 level as well. It's going to come touch it. This one probably should break because it's now higher, but the indicators are lower. Y'all have a good day.